I'm about to do something totally uncharacteristic for me this year. Actually, for probably the last 6 months. I'm going to show you what's in this box. And I have a specific reason for showing you what's in this box. If you're curious, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène with another video, and in this case, it is an uncharacteristic unboxing, and I want to talk about this delivery, if you will, that I just went and picked up at the post office because, well, first off, going to the post office for a package doesn't exactly happen anymore. And it was an experience in the power of biding my time. Let me explain. I got an email from Shoppers Drug Mart, and I still get the emails from the various makeup companies and makeup selling stores. I didn't want to stop that. I wanted to stop my purchasing behavior. And I got this coupon for 40% off a $50 purchase. And I thought, well, I don't need to replenish anything right now, but I will keep it on the side for anything that I might want to pick up. And spoiler alert a little bit, I had a need for another under eye setting powder because I finished something. It will be in my empties in my rolling project pan, so don't try to guess what it is if you watch those videos. And so I had a reason to get something at 40% off that would be around $50. And I would just put in whatever else I was running out of at the same time. I had the full month. And what happened is that I decided against the under eye setting powder. I'll have more about that when I update you on what I use for my face products. But what that gave me was, okay, just because it's 40% off doesn't mean you get it. And then as I waited later on in the month, a product that I've talked about on this channel ad nauseum is the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. Well, that went on for half off. Not for half off, but like 30% off or something. And then I was getting 40% off on top of that. And that is, if there is one thing I don't want to run out of, that I don't have a substitute for in my collection, it is the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. And I happen to have a tube of it right here. That's already kind of about a third done already. Anyway, this is the product I'm talking about. And do I have it upside down? No. Here it is. So that you can see, if it can focus, that would be good. There we go. That's a serum that I use every night. And one of these lasts me, depending on how much I feel I need, anywhere between 30 and 50 days. And I do use it every single day. And it went on sale, and then with the 40% off. And I usually always buy those in twos. I've always said I was okay with that. And I did say that for my no-buy, that I was okay in having those in twos. In here are 2 of these Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. But waiting and being opportunistic for a staple product of mine actually led me to a really nice surprise. And it feels like Christmas at the end of March. Seriously. I need to show you what it is. So here are the 2 products that I bought very intentionally and that I will definitely use. That in itself would not have me filming a video, but this would. Not only did I get 40% off on a staple product that I use all the time, but I get to try a ton of products that I don't have. And I looked at it. Now, they wouldn't tell me exactly what it was, but I knew enough that most of this I've never tried. And so I get to try new products on this channel this year, aside from some already planned skincare and eyeshadow palettes. And that's so exciting to me. And this is a huge bag. So I thought I would just dig into this bag with you and just enjoy, because that's just not something that I'm going to get to do a whole lot this year. I don't suspect that this is going to happen to me on a regular basis. So it feels like It almost feels like a good, you've been good treat because there's zero guilt. I didn't buy this. I just happened to be able to buy the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair at the right time for this, the right price, and with this bonus. So I'm super, super happy. So let's just take a look at the products that were included in this bag. First off is a Pink Fetish from who's it from? Maybelline. It's a very nice component, actually. Oh, yeah, it's kind of a lip balm, kind of a lipstick. So let's try that. I won't swatch it right now. Just going to put it aside, but that's the first product. Next one is, oh, good. I have the Nude by Nature Bondi 01 bronzer, and this is a translucent loose finishing powder. That is great. I am going to really enjoy trying that because I really enjoy the Bondi 01 bronzer. It's a loose bronzer, and so I would not, I expect, pardon me, that I will like this Nude by Nature product. So really excited about that. And this I did see, and I knew that I would go crazy for it. And this is the Pixie Glow Tonic. It comes in a little box. I should show you the little box. And I use this product. I really love it. And now I have a tiny travel size. And I will keep this bottle because it makes it possible for me to easily take my favorite toner with me when I travel. So to me, that little bottle is precious because I don't have to guess what's in it by having used a different bottle for it. So this is good, really, really good. This one I was super excited about. These are dusty. They're dusty because of the crinkly paper they were packed in. Now this one is nice. It is sealed. And it is champagne. What is it? Oh, Nourishing Lip Plumper in Champagne by Milani. And I've never tried a Milani product before. Champagne 01 is what it's called. Very cool. It is sealed. I will leave it sealed until I'm ready to use it. And for at least somebody watching this channel who loves nail polish, I have a nail polish. And this is from Sally Hansen. Complete Salon Manicure. The World is My Oyster is the name. Again, it's a little bit dusty. $3.46 is the shadow. Or not the shadow, pardon me. Can you tell I love eyeshadow? Is the nail polish color. So I will definitely try this. And I think that it would look really good if I can get the other one to work well with Shooting Star from Ciati London. So I might try that pairing. Now this, I did not know what this was. Oh, multi-mask. Oh, because I'm such a mask person. This is a Purify, Exfoliate, and Brighten mask. So one is eucalyptus, one is red algae, and another one is carbon. From L'Oreal. I don't often think of L'Oreal as a mask product company. I'll keep this aside. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, but I might know somebody who really wants to use masks. It's just not really my thing. And I didn't realize, because I couldn't really see that much about from the picture. And if I still have that picture of this gift pack that I saw online, I will put it in this video. This one, I don't even know what the products were, but I think it's a contour palette. I haven't looked at, but it's from e.l.f. and I have nothing from e.l.f. And that is a brand that I've wanted to try for a while. And yes, it is the St. Lucia or St. Lucie Contouring Blush and Bronzer Powder. It looks like it's a full size. It's 8.4 grams. This thing is heavy. I have never tried anything from e.l.f. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this. It is so sleek. Look at this product. Let's look inside. Got a little powdery during transport, but it has a mirror, and this is a good set of colors for me. It's a peachy blush, and the color of the bronzer makes me think of Laguna by NARS. I will definitely be trying this product. I really like how sleek it is, and I have the Physicians Formula butter bronzer and a couple of blushes, one from Milani and a couple from Physicians Formula, but I don't try a whole lot that I would say is drugstore. It will be super nice to try something new in the drugstore category. Just that set of blush and bronzer that's a big deal to me. That's a big deal. And then there is the Aveeno Positively Radiant Max Glow Infusion Drops. Evens tone and texture and leaves a dewy glow. That sounds like a vitamin C serum. It's a total soy complex, kiwi complex. Infusion Drops gives your skin a 48-hour lit from within glow while evening tone and texture. Yeah, this really sounds like it's a kind of a vitamin C serum replacement. Just going to look at what it looks like. It does look like serum drops. So I'm going to keep that and try it at some point when I'm ready to use a new serum. And then, wow, I love Annabelle. Annabelle is a brand that I really like. I actually have Annabelle Blackest Black right now on my upper waterline. I like this company. They have really good products. This is the Annabelle Stay Sharp Waterproof Brow Liner. Supposed to twist. Here it is. And I hope that's my color. Oh yeah, I can use this. That makes me think of the Smashbox Always Sharp liners, one of which I had to throw away a lip liner that was dry and horrible. But this one is very smooth, applied really well, and I like the fact that it's going to be always sharp and to give me a good tail end of my brow. So I will definitely use it, and it is full size. That's great. And then there are a couple of more samples that I will consider for my slaying my sample shoebox. This is a gentle skin cleansing cloths. There's only one in here, but it's from Cetaphil. A shampoo and conditioner from Live Clean Coconut Milk. Is it from Live Clean? Is that the name? Yeah, Live Clean. So a shampoo and conditioner. Then I think this one's also shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, from, I think it's called Fekai. And it is the PR Reparatives. Oh, I can use that. Repairs and Protects. And this is an argan extract shampoo and conditioner. This is definitely a high-end brand that is sold at Shoppers Drug Mart. And it came in, they always have these beautiful little bags in which they put these kind of offerings. And I will definitely keep this as a bag for gifting when I go and give samples and whatnot to folks myself. So how many items in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 items. And 5 of them are full size. Now they did say it was like a $70 value. I don't know if that's the case or not, but if 5 of the products, 5 of the 12 products are full size, the estimate is probably not that far off. So a $70 gift bag that I didn't have to pay for myself out of my own pocket, and then 40% off a product that is the #1 staple product in my skincare. For a no-buy year, like I said, it feels like it's Christmas, and majority of these things I've never tried. And the Milani lipstick, that's been on my list. Trying e.l.f., that's been on my list. Love Annabelle. Sally Hansen, I haven't had anything from them for a while. Nude by Nature I love. Maybelline lipsticks are good, although I don't need another one. Yeah, I think the masks are the only thing that I'm probably going to give away. But But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. And you know what? It makes it even sweeter when I explain to you what I did earlier in the month for this, again, no-buy month. It almost feels like karma. I realize I probably could have done that during the update to my no-buy, which would show up early April for this month of March, but somehow I just felt like it merited its own video. So there you have it. I'll reference this one in that other video. But let me know what you think. Do you think I'm kidding myself? Do you see how this made sense for getting what I would buy anyway and having this awesome treat? Is it counter to what I'm trying to do, which is minimize my collection? Tell me what you think. Either way, I'm happy to hear your comments down below. I think you can see how pleased I am. I have zero guilt. I have zero guilt. I feel completely justified in the decision I made, and I feel like I got rewarded for my patience in applying the 40% off to the correct product, where I just know that I'm using it within my no-buy year. It is something that I would buy no matter what, and that the offering was just sweet. That the pot was very, very sweetened for me. So that's it. I'll stop rambling. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just don't do unboxings on this channel, but this one just felt very different. It didn't feel like, well, this is another thing I got, this is another thing I got. It just felt like, here is an experience I did not expect to have in my no-buy. I am having it, and I just wanted to share it with you. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I do look forward to seeing you in the next one. But for now, take care.